Hi guys. Okay, so we're doing a message to lift your spirits today. And I don't know, I just got this push from Spirit to do this message. So let's see what we are going to get. Alright, so in front of you are three stones which indicate three piles. Pile 1 stone is the serpentine. Pile 2 stone is the dendrite jasper, grayish blue. And pile 3 stone is the rhodochrosite. So if the colors are not clear, please choose from the thumbnail. Okay, that will be clearer. I'm going to let you pause your videos and pick your pile. Okay. Okay, so pile 1 with the serpentine, what is something that Spirit wants to tell you to lift your spirits? What does the Divine want you to know? Or what do they want to tell you that will make you happy? Okay, I'm getting the Magician here. Okay. All right. And then we have the High Priestess. Oh, wow. Okay. Seven of Pentacles and Four of Wands. All right. And what do we have at the bottom? The Hermit. Okay. All right, see, pile number 1, I think you guys might be in this energy right now, the Hermit. Okay, see, you might be wanting alone time, you might be thinking of solutions. It could be an official situation, I'm not sure, or it could even be a love situation. I'm seeing lovers here, but in any case, the energy is that of just like sitting by yourself and trying to find the light, sitting by yourself and trying to find out a solution, find out a light, find out a way forward. Okay, yeah, there's some deep introspection going on your end here. Okay, so what is the message from Spirit? See, I'm getting the first card that fell out was the Magician. All right, I'm getting a couple of messages from this. See, Spirit wants to let you know that, see, they have this handled. I don't know why I'm getting that. Okay, whatever issues you're facing in whatever area of your life, the Divine has this handled. All right, they have, the second message I'm getting here is that see, you have all the tools to make whatever this is happen. Okay, I really feel you guys are I don't know, this, if you notice, the Hermit is staring straight into the Magician. Maybe you guys are looking to the Divine for answers. Maybe you want yourself to be a sort of magician of some sort, do something in a very surprising way, something like that. Okay, but the Divine wants to tell you, you will be able to do this for sure. Okay, and that they are with you. Okay, they are going to make this happen. Whatever it is that you have in mind, you have the full support of the Divine. They are going to provide you with resources. They're going to provide you with all the tools, to make this happen. All right, now with the High Priestess, this is something hidden. Okay, this is something hidden. Maybe, I don't know, when I look at both these cards, I'm getting something like a surprise party. Okay, so maybe that's what you're planning. Maybe a like a office party or a party for your loved one, and maybe you're thinking about how to do that. And with the Seven of Pentacles, yeah, I see this card with a man noting down certain lists and stuff. okay, and then 900 days until retirement, I have a dream. So yeah, there is maybe a sense of something you're working on which is hidden, okay, and maybe there is work to do, okay, there's work to do, but you have to maybe hide it and do it. Maybe there's just too much work. Another sense I'm getting over here is that maybe um yeah, maybe there's waiting involved, because it does say 900 days until retirement, right? So maybe there's some waiting involved here, okay, before the surprise is revealed. And maybe you guys are just thinking how you're going to pull this off, like whatever this is. I really feel you guys are feeling like, how are you going to pull it off? Okay, so see, first of all, the divine is saying that you are going to pull it off, okay, like if that's a concern, you are going to pull it off. Yes, there is a little bit time, I do sense that, okay, a little bit time of waiting and hiding, okay, and after that you are going to go into the Four of Wands. Four of Wands is party, celebration, something stable, successful. Even if I look at the imagery here, if you guys are having any kind of issues with respect to people, okay, like maybe there are wrong people here, or maybe some people are not very good with you, or you have encountered certain people who are unreliable or something on those lines. They are saying that you're going to find the right people. Your people, you're going to find the right people, or the people who exist are going to stand up for you, okay, they're going to make this happen, whatever this is. All right, and this is like a promise. I'm getting that maybe their higher selves have made a promise. You will have support in whatever this is that you're trying to pull off, pile number one, okay, and it's going to happen. I'm also getting the sense of a party. Maybe this is like in 4 weeks, that is maybe 2 months, okay. Yeah, so maybe it you guys are worried about timing, you guys are worried about the type of people, you guys are worried about work, how will you make this happen, that happen. Maybe you're managing many areas and you're like freaking out at this time, like how are you going to make all this happen? You will have people, okay, to do this. You'll have reliable people. Everything is going to be hidden, that's another thing. You will be able to pull off a very beautiful surprise, okay. The divine is with you, that's the major thing I'm getting. That's the first card that fell out, okay. So if you're wondering, that will this happen or not, maybe you're wrong, maybe you're right, whatever, the divine is giving you a big sort of message that they are with you, okay. Just a little bit more time. There's also a sense of making lists here in case you feel you've missed out on something, okay, because I'm seeing 2 books here. So there's something about reading up and making lists, okay. So can you tell us, Spirit, what is this, what else do you want to tell us, okay? What's going to make them happy? What will make pile number 1 happy? Okay, fine. This fell out. We are seeing 10 of Cups. Wow. Okay, 2 of Pentacles, 9 of Swords, Knight of Swords, and 8 of Cups. Okay, yeah. I'm kind of getting like a story here. Okay. Let me just see. Yeah, Hangman. Yeah, I really feel maybe you guys are a little bit worried about timing. You're very anxious. Maybe some of you are even drinking. Okay, so yeah, I really feel, you feel like this guy who's saying like, star, 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 star it. Okay. So maybe you guys are just feeling low, okay. There's just too much to manage. You want things to happen fast. You want your 10 of Cups like ASAP, okay, and you are being made to be like this, okay, like the Hangman. All right, like you can't do anything. maybe you have to walk away from certain things. Maybe things are going very slow. I don't know why I sense like maybe something has slowed down or something like that, and but still you're still doing this. And seriously, spirit is saying this is going to happen fast. I mean, if you know the sense I'm getting, and the sense I'm getting is if you feel that's going to be, oh my gosh, another 3 months, 3 years, I don't know, whatever, I think you guys have this, extended timeline because of the way things are going. Okay. But honestly, spirit is saying that it's going to happen really fast. They are going to make this happen really fast. Okay, you're going to be walking away from this really anxious energy. Maybe in the next 8 hours, I feel 8 to 9 hours, you're going to walk away from this really anxious energy, and there might be some insight. Yeah, I am getting that with the Six of Wands and Hangman. You're going to get some sort of a solution, some sort of a winning solution. Okay, just be quiet, be calm. Okay, you're going to get a very winning solution very soon, that's going to fasten things up. Okay, yeah. And below this we have Nine of Cups. Yeah, you are going to get your wish fulfillment, and fast. Okay, because Knight of Swords is the energy of fast. Okay, of swiftness. All right, so if you're wondering if you're ever going to have your wish fulfillment, your 10 of Cups, whatever it is, whether it's a great job or a relationship or health or real estate or whatever, okay, you might be in these two minds that, oh my gosh, when, or will it happen? You are going to have, this is going to happen, full swing. Okay, I mean, even if I go by the imagery, like you're going to have it all. Okay, you're going to have it all, and very fast. All right, so just hold on, maybe another 2 weeks or 2 months. All right, something is coming up. Your wish fulfillment, a very happy moment is coming to you, pile number 1. So please don't fret if things look a little slow or unsteady at this time. Okay, so this is what I have for you. Bye. Okay, so pile 2 with the dendrite jasper. What is the message that spirit wants to give to you to lift up your spirits? What is your message for pile 2, spirit? Oops. All right, this fell out. Maybe this is about love. Okay, that was a lot, but we'll take it. So this card dropped out first. The Lovers. We have the Devil. We have the Sun. Wow. We have all major arcana till now. Temperance. Oh my gosh. 5 of Cups. Okay. And what do we have at the bottom? We have 10 of Wands. All right. Okay. All right, guys. See, for a lot of you in this pile, this is about love. Okay, you're stressed about something. I feel with this energy, you're quite stressed. You're overthinking. Maybe like you have like 2 versions of whatever the situation is. Okay, one part of you thinks happy, the other part of you thinks not happy. Like, maybe you feel that nothing's gonna work out, and the other part of you feels, yes, there's something here. Yeah, and maybe this has been going on for a while because I have the Hanged Man here. Right? So yeah, there is something you're stressed about. For a lot of you, I feel it is related to love or relationships. Okay. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing. So either it is about love and relationships, or this is about a choice. Okay, and I really feel for some of you it could be both. Okay, there has been time that has gone by. I think you're very attracted to this person, and vice versa. They are your wish fulfillment. Yeah, there's a lot hanging on a relationship here, and that's why it's stressing me. And that's why it's stressing you out. Okay, because maybe you've been waiting for things to clear up or something on those lines. Okay, so what is something to lift up your spirits? See, I really feel that you guys are in this energy, okay? The devil, temperance, five of cups, it's like, it's a tough situation. I think some of you even feel that the person that, like, you're very attracted to them, some of you even love your person, okay? But there is an element of, like, you feeling that they're not exactly what they show. Okay, maybe they're just a temptation for you because you're so attracted to them. There's a huge energy of attraction here. Okay, but there's also a sense here that, can I trust this person? All right, can I trust this person? This person looks like they're holding a wine bottle out, and like all of that. There's a magnetic attraction here, but somehow I just feel that maybe you guys feel that you're gonna be like stuck. I see chains here. Maybe you feel that if you go for this person, you're going to be stuck. There is an element of mistrust here. Okay, not exactly trusting the person totally. Okay, plus there has been waiting. I feel with the five of cups that you have even cried. There have been, this person might have made you go through tough times. All right, I'm getting, okay, maybe they've hurt you in some way and all of that stuff. Okay, spirit wants to let you know, I mean, something to lift your mood here. Okay, something to make you happy, lift your spirits is like, just wait a little bit more. You're going to be very happy with this situation. Okay, they are obviously not wanting to sort of reveal the surprise. Okay, but they are saying that you're going to be like this, the sun. Okay, you're going to be very happy, you're going to be jumping for joy. Okay, just, I'm getting the sense that spirit is handling it. There's some sort of a balancing happening here. Okay, temperance is about balance, and maybe you and the other person are very different, in terms of mindsets and attitudes. And right now there is some sort of a balancing happening, which is why there is a little bit of waiting time. This also might be the reason why you are stressed out, because like one time you feel that this person is amazing, and the other time they do something that is absolutely out of boundary. Like you just don't understand. Okay, or it's really bad. All right, so I think you're not able to get, what is this relationship all about, what is this person all about, and that's why I think, somewhere you guys are getting stressed. Should I believe this or should I believe that? Should I wait for this person? Should I not? Should I XYZ? All right. See, what they're saying is just let go right now. Don't think, do not overthink right now, guys. You're overthinking it, you're stressing. They're just telling you to surrender here. Just surrender, and you're going to be very happy with the result that the divine will give to you. Okay, you are not going to be sad. All right, you will not be sad if that's what you feel. Okay, I'm going to ask a little bit more. So what's really going to happen, spirit? Anything else you want to tell pile 2? Okay, we have strength, and we had this following up, 4 of wands. Okay, and what do we have at the bottom? Yeah, this is about love. Okay, for sure. All right, I am getting, see, you are going to see, this person is going to stand up for you. I'm seeing an exchange of promises, vows. This person is going to be your strongest ally. Okay, no matter what this connection is about, although I really feel it's love. All right, you guys will be on the same page. Okay, I really feel with the 5 of pentacles right now, you might be stressing that, will you ever be on the same page with this person? Will you ever be happy with them? You're going to be very happy with them, and I really feel this person is going to make a move. Okay, depending. Okay, it could be you also, I'm not sure, but you guys are going to be listening to the same tune in terms of your feelings. Okay, very connected. You're going to be very connected to each other. Okay, and this person is going to be like someone who stands by you through thick and thin. Okay, like this is going to be a very strong connection, guys. That's what spirit wants to let you know. That's what your guides want to let you know. They are going to be your biggest cheerleader, biggest supporter. Okay, I'm also seeing here that there might be something to do with a family union. If you have issues about family accepting, that's not going to be the case. Okay, people are going to be accepting this connection. I'm also seeing something like you're gonna get the prize. Like you're gonna feel on top of the world. There might even be a party. There might be people who might be like, people will kind of be very happy for you. I feel happy in the sense that, I don't know, maybe I'm seeing these three people, with their hands on their hearts, and they're like, people will be sighing, okay? But yeah, I am getting that this is going to be a very stable connection, okay? Probably even go up to marriage, or a party of some sort. I'm also seeing some people, if you're worried about people here in terms of your connection, people are going to be very loyal and stalwart, as well as your person. Okay, there's a lot of loyalty and like sticking by each other here. Okay, so there's going to be a very strong connection. There's a connection that exists in your life which you are iffy about, which you are confused about. Okay, but just give it a little bit of time. Whatever this person is, romantic or platonic, you guys are going to be like each other's rock. Okay, that's going to happen in the future. So I really hope that lifted your spirits. Okay, so pile 3 with the rhodochrosite. What is this message to lift your spirits today? Spirit, what do you want to tell pile 3 to lift their spirits and make them happy? Wow. I got the sun card for it. Wow. What do you want to tell them to make them happy? My goodness, they're flying cards here. Okay, Hermit at the bottom. Let's see this. We have the Sun, the Temperance, Queen of Cups, and Ace of Swords. Wow. Okay, all right. Okay, so pile number let's put this here. So pile number 3, I really feel you guys are like kind of lonely and looking forward to something happy happening in your life, and maybe you're going like up and down, back and forth, whether this is going to happen or not. When is it going to happen? Okay, I feel for some of you this is about love. Okay, but please take it as it resonates. All right, but you guys are kind of lonely, I feel. Okay, I'm not seeing this person overly upset. Okay, but they're just wondering like, when is the light coming back in my life? Because the Hermit is like a figure which is like in the dark, right? Here also I see this person in a room, and just a little bit of light is coming from the lamp ahead. Okay, but this person wants the sun, because the Hermit is looking straight at the sun. So I really feel there's some sort of very joyful or happy thing that you want, pile 3, but maybe at this time you can't see it, or happen, or you might be having hope. I do feel that with the light here. Okay, but yeah, I do feel that you're just like a little lonely, and maybe a little bit like wondering. Yeah, I'm getting a wondering energy. It's not a bad energy, honestly. I don't think you guys are in a bad energy. I really feel like, see, with the Temperance, Queen of Cups, you are by yourself. I would say you are in solitude, but you are calm with that. You are happy with that. Okay, so what is this message? I don't know. The message that I'm getting over here is that, see, there is some sort of major clarity coming up. Okay, here I see some sort of an award as well. So some of you are getting an award. Okay. Wow. Okay, maybe for whatever work. See, it says, what does it say here? New Ideas and Mental Clarity Award. Yeah, I mean, maybe some of you have sort of launched a new innovation. I mean, apply it as it fits, but I really feel you guys are very intelligent people. Okay, even intuitive. And I think you might have done certain work, and maybe you have not got, it's been a long time since you were appreciated for it or something. There is some award coming. That's for one side of you, and for the second side of you, I'm getting that there's some clarity coming, because I see like a light bulb moment happen here with this card. And here also I'm seeing light. There's just a little lamp here, but here there's full light. So I don't know why I'm getting the sense here that maybe you guys have been looking for answers. Okay, I would say either you're looking for answers, for truth, for clarity. Some of you are even looking for appreciation of some sort. Like you just want to be clear now, is the sense I'm getting. You don't want to be like waiting around foggy. Okay, with the Queen of Cups, I feel maybe you're intuitive as well, and you know that something is coming. Okay, you know that. Okay, but it's just that you don't know when. All right, that's not making you sad in any way, but yeah, it does make you go up and down sometimes. Even with the Temperance, I'm getting that. Is it gonna happen? Is it not gonna happen? Is it gonna happen? It's not. But overall, there's an intuition that something really good is coming your way, and it is. Spirit wants to tell you in this message that there's something very, and I'm getting like the Sun is number 10 and this is the Ace of Swords, right? So we have after 9 we have 10, right? Wow, I didn't notice that. So it's not very long. It's going to be like a big epiphany moment. It's going to be something very shiny, very valuable, very honestly, you're getting a gift from the divine. Okay, and this is your wish fulfillment. You're going to be very happy. I'm not sure if you know the full extent of this, okay, because I'm seeing this person maybe thinking, maybe it could be this, maybe it could be that, maybe intuitively figuring it out. Okay, but when this thing comes, you're going to be very happy, guys, very happy. Even this lady is smiling, this lady is jumping for joy. Okay, so I don't know, the thing they want to tell you to lift your spirits is that there is something very significant coming to you in the 3D, which is going to make you very happy. That's one thing I'm getting. Okay, you're going to be very happy about something. There's something here about recognition, public eye, happiness, sudden epiphany, or a sudden happening, unexpected. Okay, which is going to be like literally making you like hop and skip. Okay, all of your waiting and watching and going with your intuition and just being alone is going to pay off big time. Okay, there's multiple things coming here. They want to tell you you're going to like enjoy in the sun now. Okay, here I'm seeing a dark sort of room, and here she's like the sun herself. Okay, so there's a very happy thing coming your way. They're not telling me exactly what it is, okay, but you apply as fits. It's something you have wanted very much. Okay, now spirits, can you tell me some more, anything more you want to tell pile number 3? Anything else you want to tell pile 3? Oops. Once again I got these two. Oh my gosh, like they don't want to tell more than this. Okay, below I have 9 of Cups. Yeah, guys, this is something you're very, I would say, emotionally invested in. Okay, whatever this is. For a lot of, like I said, for a lot of you, this is wish fulfillment. Okay, maybe it's a marriage, maybe it's a relationship, and like you have literally been holding a candle for this person, this relationship, this dream, this wish. Okay, and spirit just wants to tell you to continue to go with your intuition at this time while you're waiting just a little bit more. I am getting once again a number 1 and a number 9. So I would say like 1 month, okay, 1 to 9 days, weeks or months. Okay, there is something very big and very happy, which is your wish fulfillment, which is coming to you. Okay, Until the time that comes, you are told to be in your intuition, go through your intuition, okay, go through your emotion. There is going to be some sort of a party maybe over here, some sort of a party celebration. If this is related to love, then this is you and your person coming together, like in a big, like kind of, I'm sensing this as a celebration, okay, some sort of a celebration, commitment, marriage, occasion, event, something like that. Yeah, behind the scenes, spirit is working on it. There might be a contract involved here, maybe either a work contract or maybe a marriage contract, I don't know, okay. But the hint they're giving me over here about this really hidden and big thing coming to you, firstly is that you are intuitively picking up on it a little bit, okay, go with your intuition. Secondly, it could be an award, some recognition, a position maybe, a job, some sort of a gift is what I'm getting, okay. And of course, I'm also getting that this could be also about the truth, okay. Like maybe till now you've been sensing it, but now you're going to be given the tangible truth is what I'm getting, okay. And it's going to end up in a big celebration. All right, if this is related to, I am getting a sense of love and work, okay, but for a lot of you this is about a relationship also, okay, as well as work, like it's a combined thing, okay. You're going to get it all, that's what, like, enough said. What else can I say? You're going to get it all, and then you're going to be like this, celebrating, okay, celebrating with near and dear ones. All right, so just wait a little bit longer, guys, okay. It's gonna happen very unexpectedly, okay. So this is what I have. I really hope it helped. Bye.